control alone. Rap control alone. Wrote the master blaster, my blast faster than the laughter that increase the average rapper after. His lyrics plaster the rafters and rebound back down. The ground slack sounds won't be tolerated around these bars. Vermin play like an earthworm and start steady squirming a flea from this MC-ABD. Nominal, phenomenal, the dominant breeze.
Never afraid to attack with the knack of color yelling out. Fella, hum a melody just a
Can you hear it? Gas, F-A-S-C, getting fresh unless we lose electricity, but still no stress. We got Oral B with the oral beats. He's got organic groups like floral breeds that go.
Ok, je rappelle qu'on passera à la finale pour Move directement après avec Zippy, Kenyo et Lion. En attendant, on va savoir qui va affronter Maya en finale. Music Rock ou Hugo. Avec moi, ça fait 3, 2, 1. Et c'est Music Rock qui est en finale. Du coup, on va changer de juge. Et dans notre challenge de